Hey y'all, welcome to Aroma Botanica. Please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So here is some lemon verbena that I'm about to use magically, and I wanted to tell y'all about it before I use it up. So it can be used to attract someone to you, or keep away people you don't want to be in your observable universe. Traditionally, people would say that you can use this to attract the attentions of someone of the opposite sex, but you know, whatever. It can attract whoever you want to be attracted to you. And it's used also in spells to help break bad habits and addictions. You can also use this to cleanse space, to remove the negative energy, you know, to sanctify a space that needs to be sacred. You can add it into a spiritual or magical oil, or you can incorporate it into your candle magic by sprinkling a little bit of this on top of the candle or loading the candle with it. You can also put it in a mojo bag if you want to keep it on your person as well. If you'd like some of this lemon verbena, you can get it at www.aromagees.com or come visit us at our shop. We're at 223 Donaldson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. Thanks so much for visiting us.